Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cleaning and softening the hair so brushing actually changes the pattern. Wash with a clarifying shampoo, condition, and towel dry to damp, not dripping. Apply a light leave-in moisturizer plus about 0.5 to 1 teaspoon of a water-based pomade to add slip and hold. Detangle gently, then start directional brushing from the crown outward in 10 to 15-minute intervals. Once done, wrap with a snug durag for 10 to 15 minutes to set the initial wave impression. Now you intensify the pattern through sustained, purposeful brushing. Use a medium bristle brush and make crown-to-hairline passes, covering all quadrants methodically. Brush in several 10-minute sets until you reach 20 to 30 minutes per session. Adjust pressure, firmer to shape, lighter to smooth. Apply a small amount of pomade between sets to help fibers hold. For clean lines, trim around the perimeter with clippers on a 0.5 to 1 guard, and blend the sides so waves flow uninterrupted from crown to edge. Finish by locking the pattern and establishing maintenance habits. Wear a durag overnight for 6 to 8 hours to compress and set the waves into place. Each morning, moisturize lightly and rebrush for 5 to 10 minutes to reinforce the pattern. Once weekly, do a longer session and check trims for inconsistency. If you hit a problem spot, like a cowlick or frizz, target it with short, concentrated brushing from the crown toward the hairline and trim, just enough to reduce stubborn direction changes. Then ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.